Hi, you fixed those five CV mistakes and your resume is flawless. Great, and you got the interview call as well. And then the interviewer asks you, what do you know about UAE's education priorities? And you freeze. You panic. And you say CBSE? British curriculum? Wrong. That's not what they want to hear. The UAE does not care about curriculum names. They care about three things. And if you don't know them, you're done even before you start. And here's what most teachers get wrong. They think UAE interviews are like interviews back home. They memorize generic teaching philosophy answers. They prepare the class management speech. But UAE schools, they are playing a very different game. The UAE has three crystal clear education priorities in 2026 and beyond. And if you cannot speak to these, someone else will get the job. So let's break that down. Number one, reading, reading, and reading. The UAE is obsessed with literacy. They're not just talking about it, they are measuring it, they are tracking it, they're investing millions in it. Why? Because they know reading is the foundation of everything else. So when you are in that interview, don't just say, I teach reading. Say this instead. I understand UAE's commitment to developing strong readers across all subjects. In my science, in my maths class, I don't just teach sums and experiments. I teach students to read scientific texts critically. I use literacy strategies like close reading, vocabulary building, and comprehension checks in every lesson. See the difference? You are showing them you get it. Reading isn't just for English teachers, it's every teacher's responsibility in the UAE. So, whether you're teaching CBSE, British, American, or IB curriculum, show that you're a reading champion. Number two, innovation. Listen carefully. The UAE isn't building schools for today, they're building schools for 2050. This is the country that sent a probe to Mars. They're building AI cities. They're hosting expo events. They want teachers who think like innovators. Here's what that means for you. AI integration. They just made AI mandatory from K to 12. Can you teach students to use ChatGPT responsibly? Can you create AI enhanced lessons? Forget role memorization. Can you get students to question, analyze, and create? Problem solving. They're replacing exams with real world projects. Can you design challenges that mirror actual careers? So, in your interview, say, I align with UAE's innovation vision. Last year, I had students design solutions for water conservation. They researched, they prototyped, and presented to local authorities. That's the kind of future ready learning UAE wants. You just showed them you're not just a teacher, you are an innovation facilitator, and that's what they need. Now, number three, and this is where most international teachers don't make it. Cultural heritage. The UAE is very proud of its identity. Emirati culture, Arabic language, Islamic values, the journey from desert to skyscrapers. 2026 is the year of the family. That's a massive push for national identity education. Now I know what you're thinking. But I'm not an Emirati. I don't speak Arabic. How do I teach this? Here's the secret. They don't expect you to be an Emirati. They expect you to respect and celebrate them. So in your interview, talk about how you'll integrate Emirati achievements into your classrooms, like featuring UAE's space program in science or local authors in English class. How you will celebrate UAE National Day, Flag Day, cultural events with genuine enthusiasm. How you will create partnerships where Emirati students can share their heritage while international students share theirs. Show them that you see the UAE as more than just a paycheck destination. Show them you respect the national story. That's what separates teachers who get hired from teachers who don't. So the reality check. CBSE, British, IB, they are just delivery systems. Back to these curricula, yes, these CBSE, British, American, IB curriculums matter. But here's the truth. They are just delivery systems. What UAE schools really want to know is, can you deliver reading excellence through that curriculum? Can you foster innovation using that framework? Can you honor cultural heritage while teaching that content? Think. If you walk into that interview talking only about curriculum standards and textbook chapters, you've already lost. But if you walk in talking about how you would build readers, innovators, culturally grounded global citizens, that's when you become irresistible. So, three things: reading, innovation, cultural heritage. And let's lock this in. When you prepare for your UA interview, prepare to talk about reading, innovation, cultural heritage. Get these three right, get your curriculum experience, which becomes the bonus and not the main story. So, now if this has changed your entire interview strategy, hit that like button, subscribe because I'm dropping more UAE teaching secrets every week, and comment below which of these three priorities resonates with you the most. Are you team reading, team innovation, or team cultural heritage? Tell me. If you haven't watched my previous video of 5 CV mistakes, link below, get that CV perfect and then master this interview strategy. The UAE is building the future of education. Be a part of this. Be a teacher in UAE. I'll see you in the next video. Now go and show them what you are really made of.